Hello guys, today we're back with the eufy G32 Pro, and today we're gonna go see. So in this master bedroom, in the living room, there is a mess here. You can see there is this piece of cheese, a gummy, and some M&Ms. And under the table, it is very dirty. So today I've decided to make a video about it. So the app, I have to sign in, but I'm not going to do this right now. I'm not going to show the app. I'll show the app in the next video of it. So, without further ado, let's get this thing a run.
Start cleaning.
Gets a little trouble here. Sometimes, now we're going to first test it with a gummy worm. A gummy. I wonder what that's going to do. Okay, it's just sucked up. Nothing happened, I guess. We'll see. We'll try an M&M. Okay, not bad. So you're gonna see here, it always comes this area. Usually that's not where I wanted to go. Sometimes I'll let it do this. Usually. This is trying to finish up the area first. It's usually, hold on. Yeah, I can't get this thing very well. Watch. Ooh, got in there this time. So I think it's gonna decide to clean this area today. That's good. Find out the area. Usually I have to move the chair like this so get a better view of it. This. Yeah. My yesterday's video, I really loved how it did. Pretty well, so I might have to do this video quick. Oh, it stomped on it. Hold on, I'll put it, this got stomped on. I think I would put it right here, because I'm thinking that's where it's gonna get it. Usually I would just scatter there's a lot of things right here. Let's see, the robot cleaner's coming. See, I think it's gonna catch it. Move. Let's see, is it gonna follow the area? No, there's nothing else. It's on its max setting. There's usually stuff in the corner that actually we do have to take out also. So basically the robot vacuum cleaner didn't take the M&M. I didn't hear anything about that. The M&M. Usually I would have to hear something, but I don't think so. Yeah, this robot cleaner is a little weird. Yeah, I think I didn't get this spot yet. Oh yeah, right. It did do half here, but it just doesn't do this area. So it figures out like what spot did not clean. So it just figured out that. Yeah, this is having I have no idea what's wrong with this thing. It did miss a little bit right here. I wonder if it's gonna catch that. Okay, the robot cleaner is going for the table. So good, actually really good. Hold on, let me move everything over here, cause the robot cleaner is not gonna go this way. Look, this is very cool, really good. At least, look at this. Look, it actually says it has a way to get out of cords this way. Usually I do not like when this isn't like when the chair is sitting there for too long, the thing just comes down and just won't stay back up. Usually that's like a thing that always happens a lot with the chairs. So I'm not gonna pull these chairs out because it's not ready to do this yet. It's just getting under the tables and that stuff. I bought this thing for Christmas. I bought this thing for Christmas this year. I don't know, because I never used it in a long time. I don't know. They said it only had a 1-year warranty. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. They said it was a 1-year warranty, but I didn't use it in a long time because my dad and dad's vacuum cleaner been using it a lot. But I never used mine, so I wonder what could happen. This thing, they said eufy has a really good long lasting. So that stuff, so it's really good. Pretty good at least. It is doing really well. We're gonna have it clean this whole area. This whole clean area. Then after that, I'll stop it to where this is, so I won't let it go farther. That stuff. Oh, my brother left this Oreo piece on the floor. I want to see if it'll suck it up. I have no idea if it's gonna suck this thing up or not. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, did you hear that? That sucked it up. There's a seat on the ground. I wonder if that's gonna get picked up. Let me move the chairs now. At this point, they're now getting ready. But the thing is, I have to move everything else. Oh yeah, the little circle. Ew, I wonder how that happened. Okay, now it's just getting this completed area. That area has some dirtiness over there. And yeah, it does climb up the chairs really well. I have these things. I usually test them on the vacuum cleaners, and there is dust on those. So usually the broom gets in their way and starts to help. And there is cucumbers on that. So I wonder if something could happen. I'm scared of this. Sometimes they're in the floor, and sometimes, and they're actually not scattered. And they're not in. Oh no. Oh God. Okay. Okay. I didn't see the M&M. Okay, I think I got it. It's gonna get it right now. Okay, I heard that. It got in. This one is mostly. Let me show you. Look how dirty that is. Also, right here is a dirty spot. Also, ooh. Is it gonna clean it? Is it gonna clean it? Right there is a dirty spot. Is it gonna clean it or not? Kind of did. Actually, that thing did pretty well. I thought it was gonna lose it, but actually it didn't. I think it did. They said it was a really good robot vacuum cleaner, worth $100 for the Christmas deal. I might not get another one. I don't know. But I was thinking about getting a car, fix it up, and then sell it. Oh, there's a big one right here. I'll put this big one right there. I found a big one. I think this is gonna do something. I'll put it right there by that floor, and I hope the vacuum cleaner might be able to see it. I don't know. This is just a matter. I don't know. Goes in? I didn't hear anything. What was even? I don't know. Looks like somebody tried to. I heard somebody was calling on there. Oh God, this is giving me a hard time. Actually, it didn't get this one. Dude, I think it probably got it. I don't know. I have to figure out. Cleaner did or not. I heard that. They make like little sounds when they're big and stuff. It didn't get a little bit. There's the M&M, so you see a little bit of stuff. There is a little bit of stuff, but everything else is just not happening. Usually the robot cleaner is like on, usually sometimes when I finish, it's about like, I think probably about like 60%. And when it's like 50% like that, it's really good. It kind of sees it. Okay, I think it's gonna clean this area. Actually, this area has been cleaned. I don't know why it has. Okay, now it's getting to the area where it's important. Okay, I don't think it can't get this. This actually is a spot that actually the vacuum cleaner did miss. The vacuum cleaner did miss this spot, so I think the vacuum remembers how it did it. And if it didn't do so well, it would come to return. But it's on its mode. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, I heard that. It didn't suck up the M&M. I wonder why. Oh, there's a piece of rice. And after that gets sucked up, I put the M&M right there. Okay, I heard it that time. You might be able to hear it if nobody's in the room or anything. Keep it quiet. Basically, you might not hear anything. I don't know. We might be able to stop it when this is all completed. I have no idea how long this is going to take. But it does take a while. Basically, if I just move the chairs, that way it's going to work out. Oh, shoot, there was a small pencil there. I don't know if it sucked it up or not, but if it did suck it up, then I'm going to say it's high quality. The Shark Robot Vacuum Cleaner, they said that this one was really good, high quality. It sucked up a Lego character inside the thing. Somebody showed it, and it sucked up a lot of Lego characters. So that is a good thing. Plus, there's a staple in here that could destroy you if you sit down on it. But the good thing is the bad thing is we never clean over here. And it never get vacuumed a lot. Let's see, we're going to see if it sucks it up. No way, it actually did suck it up. There is a lot of more. I'll put this stuff on there. Jeez, looks nice. It's doing everything perfectly. It might get over here next. I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a spot that it did miss also. Good thing is, let's see. There's a hole here. Let's see if it's gonna catch that. It's missing. That means it actually get caught. Oh, I thought that would not work either. Okay. Well, it might see it. So that's pretty nice. Come on here. Actually, I have to bring this back. This. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this or not. I wonder if this is finished. It kind of did miss a little spot in the middle. Let's see if it sees that it missed it. I'm guessing it's probably a good vacuum then. So this one is okay. It kind of missed. You could see that. I might have to clean the lens a little bit more. I don't remember if it lost a spot or not. Ooh, dang, there's something right there. But anyway, just in case if it didn't do anywhere, well, usually you could do like the corner cleaning, like you have it go on the edges of the house. Basically, just follow those edges. Yeah, I think it missed this whole spot. There is a laser that makes this line go past across this. We're gonna have to do something about that with the lasers. I heard it going down. I think it's almost out of battery. I don't know. Usually I don't run it this much. It's almost completed. I think we could push in all the chairs. Ooh, we left behind a piece of cookie cereal stuck on the. Let's see if it suck it up. Didn't hear anything, but I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but if it, yeah, I still see it. I think it's not working. Hold on, let me spread it in half, break it in half. And we'll see if I stand it up. Okay, I heard that. It usually when it makes like sucks it up, basically it'll just make a sound. This is vicious. That is. Let's see. It might catch this. I don't know. Okay, I heard this. Oh, it did. It did go. It sounded like it went in, but look, it might come out again. I don't know. There is a little bit of plants. Here, let's see if it can try to catch that. If it catches that, maybe it might. Then it might be a cleaner expert. Uh-oh, there's a sticky thing down there. Ooh, blue. It's okay with that anyway, but it bent it. That stuff. There was a thing here. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but when we bought this house with the carpet, 2 marks here like this, they were yellow. We carpet cleaned it really good, but surprisingly, there was nothing. Okay, I might move this bag out of the way. Oh god. Okay. That bag didn't go in there, but that was good. At least it didn't, go, well, it's almost finished. There was something over there. It didn't. Okay, hold on. Okay, suck that back up. So now I think it's now heading back to where it's supposed to go. Okay, so we'll stop it and we'll let it go home. When it goes to the base station and it says charging, we'll show you how to change we take out the things. So, alright, we'll turn it off because it looks like it's completed with this area. Let's pause it like this.
Pausing.
You just push any button, pause it. Spiral spot mode, you just push it. It's going to go to vacuum the maximum. We'll go to, this is the plug. You push home. If you don't have the internet or anything like that hooked up, it's not going to work. But, actually, I did this once. I pushed this on home and I flipped it over and the broom was moving too. It's like, like everything is working. Hold on. So let me go push it. Without further ado, we'll push it to home. And we'll see if it will suck these two things up.
Heading home.
I've heard that I think it might work. I don't know. Okay, it didn't do anything, but I remembered one time, if you flipped it over,
Pausing.
If you flipped it over, you'll see that this thing was actually was moving. You're gonna tell, watch.
Heading home.
And watch.
Error 7, wheel suspended. Please move heading home. Error 7,
never mind.
wheel suspended. Please move the device. Heading home.
So now it's gonna head home. I was thinking about if I put this here. But the weird thing is it moves this here, but basically nothing else moves. Well, I think it just lets you know, like, the broom's working. I would have to give you this thing a really good clean. The line vents were pretty bad on it, but they said you have to clean it usually about, like, 1 week every time. If every day you use it, clean it for 1 week. But if you used it, but you powered it on for the first time, like about 5 years, basically, you're gonna just have to clean it again. But look, okay, hold on, there it goes.
Charging.
Now let me show you how I do this. So I pull this thing out like this. It comes out like that. Some vacuum cleaners have that. Shark also has that. Now let me open it to give you a show of what it would look like. Hold on. Okay, this is what it would look like. If you never vacuum your house, it would just fill these corners like crazy. That happened once to me. I feel, and got, so the stuff, remember, that we found and we put in there, that was actually everything. Plus, over there when we were at the door, a lot of bark also, so that's a good thing. Usually when it's floor, it has a boost IQ mode. It means that it'll figure out where it's at. If it's on a floor, then it will go on a little bit automatically. And here's how I dump it. So first you carry this. I have an automatic garbage opener. If you had it, you have to use 2 hands, and then usually I just go like this and like bang it like that. And then after that, I use this and I close it like that. Hold on. And then make a sound, and then you close it. Take it back to the vacuum cleaner like this.
Charging.
Then you're gonna push this, and then when you hear a click like this,
Charging.
that means that you're done. And then there you go, and that's how you put the thing back in. So this is a run test of the vacuum cleaner of the eufy G32 Pro, and start dynamic navigation. That's what I like usually when they make the lines and that stuff. So thank you for watching these videos. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and make sure to ring the bell so you never know or miss a video that comes up to us, and you could like the video. So I want to reach as much subscribers as we can. So in December, I will show you something that is going to be really cool. But the first thing is, I'm not going to show it yet. But in December, it will be something pretty crazy. And when the garage is cleaned up and everything like that, that's when we're going to do something really cool. We're going to, so I'm going to keep it a secret. So when we get all the cars in, I have a lot of room out there around the garage. So I'll be able to put some stuff in there and put stuff outside, and you'll see what it's going to be in December. So thank you guys, and make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to smash that subscribe button. Ring the bell to make sure there's no more videos. You see more videos. Now I'll see you next time with another video. Bye, and make sure to smash that subscribe button.